Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to view all your verified mobile devices in your Blink account. So in order to get it, you first need to open your Blink mobile application. Then you need to go to the settings. In the settings, select the account and privacy option. Now from the account and privacy screen, tap on manage mobile devices. A SMS message with a verification code is sent to the primary account holder's phone number. So you need to enter the code in the Blink application and then tap on verify. If you don't immediately receive it, then wait for 90 seconds until the resend code button appears and then tap it to resend your code. So you may have to repeat this process until the verification code comes through. Once your mobile device is verified, the Manage Device screen display all of the devices that have accessed that account in the last 30 days, including the current device at the top. So this way you will be able to view all of the verified mobile devices in your Blink account. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.